In this video, I'm gonna show you how we make turmeric powder water turn into red blood water and how we make that red blood water into turmeric powder water again. See full video right beginning to the end. First, we need to mix some turmeric powder and lime water in the container, and we need to add some detergent surf in it. Now you can see the water was changing its color into red water. And the final step is we need to mix some lime water again to see the magic happens or not. You can see right here the red water was turning into yellow again. It's not a magic, it's science. If you enjoyed this video, so subscribe to our channel and see more videos in my channel to tap right on channel logo.